Back here in these woods. About to go look for me some heat. My down! Come on, girl. What do they look like? I don't even know what I'm looking for. That vine that grew up right there, didn't it? Sorry, girl. Come on. Come on. Shoot, man, I don't know what I'm looking for, man. I don't. I'm out here and I'm just saying, do I need to dig under the trees? Or in the muck and shit over there like that? Look at this shit right here. Oh, this stick ain't big enough. I need to bring me a crowbar. That's what I'm about to go do. Get me a stick. That was a hard plastic hit, wasn't it? Oh, it's good, it's good. It's good. Come on, Sasha. This baby's still just in two-wheel drive, too. I don't see nothing. The heck? Here, mushroom. Looking for the mushrooms. Where is the mushrooms? Here, mushroom. I can't find none. They've been going back through that way too. I can tell. I ain't want to mess up their little path they got. Trample it down a little bit. It's gonna be sweet. They took them trees that they chopped down. I don't know what mushrooms look like, except for when they nice and golden brown in my skillets. Golden baby, boy. That's that baby golden Come on, y'all, so I can go cut this grass. Out here playing. Come on, come on, come this. Gee, that is. The heck they doing back there? That was fun. Didn't find no mushrooms though. Maybe next time I go.